Today's we are going to continue the classes, properties and the methods and the instance of the class, so you can easily understand the object oriented concepts, because these are the basic concepts. Okay, so now go to the page, refresh the page. We have a class card, we have some properties, we have one method to display the properties. Okay, as you can see, we are saying new card. That means we are creating the instance to access the properties and also the objects. Okay, so now I'm saying I have the empty variables name. Now I'm saying it's a display, and now I'm saying that comment these bad boys. I have one method to display its display. Now I'm going to create another method. Create. Here I'm saying that this car name this is the car name. I'm going to car name, and this is the car color, and this is the third parameters. I have a car price. Make sure these are the variables, the local variables. These are the properties. I'm saying car name, car name, car color and car price. For car price and for car color. Okay, sorry. Now you have one method to set the values. Now you can call the second method to display the value. Create an object or create an instance with the new keyword cars. I have created the instance to access the object. So this is the object. Now I'm saying the method create. It takes 3 parameters. So as you can see, 3 parameters. I'm saying car name BMW, and the color is red, and the price is I'm saying 120 or okay 120. Now I'm saying object, now display. Go to the page, refresh the page. Okay, you have to echo these. Refresh the page. As you can see, it's saying BMW. So I think this is enough for today. In the next lecture we are going to cover some other topics. So thankful for watching.